Do you agree that between 2012, 7 and 12, illegal mining happened in Goa?
See, whether there is a illegal mining happened,
I'm asking, straight question.
not happened.
Straight question.
Hold on.
Straight question. Supreme Court has said illegal mining has happened in Goa. Not one judgment, two judgments. Very clear-cut indication of the government of the day, where they've clearly said that the government of the day overlooked and was hand in glove with the forces that were doing illegal mining. 435 by 1 writ petition judgment, followed by the February 2018 judgment when the renewal of leases came. The first paragraph of that judgment which completely spoke about the complicity of the state government in assisting illegal mining. This is between the period of 2007 to 2012. During that period, there is no denying the fact, and you don't need proof to say that the Congress government was in power at that point of time. My issue is that illegal mining during that point of time has been completely specified by two Supreme Court judgments. Do you agree that illegal mining happened in 2012?
See, it's not a question whether I agree or you agree. It's not a question of whether I agree.
No, I'm
or
asking
you.
you.
On that.
I'm asking you.
I'm saying if there was illegal mining, if there was some culprits,
you still have a doubt whether there was illegal mining.
No, if it is there,
you're still saying it's if.
Yes, let's punish them. Punish them who are involved in that illegally. Correct. We are not here to protect anybody.
Correct.
You punish
now
all those who are involved.
Okay.
And through your medium, I also again demand with the local BJP government and central government, punish them.
According to you.
And I can say that the TMC now has a good relation with the Prime Minister. They should also use their good office with the Prime Minister. You book them in Goa.
Girish.
Book them in Goa.
Anyway, if this
whoever is involved, book them.
Girish, if this was a comedy show, people would have laughed. But this is not a comedy show. No, I am saying that between 2000 and one more question. Between 2007 to 12, do you still say if there was illegal mining, or are you saying there was illegal mining?
See, I'm not defending anything. I'm not.
Okay, let's ask you straight question.
Anything.
Between 7 and 12, was there illegal mining or not illegal mining?
If there was illegal mining, I'm very clear.
Still if.
I'm very clear on that.
Then
because I have don't have those documents that you have. Okay.
Supreme Court judgments.
Let's sit after
Supreme Court judgments.
See, the Supreme Court judgment came thereafter. I have the RTI. That comes
Supreme Court.
That is issued by.
If that was the case, then that RTI should have been set.
So what is the order of that Supreme Court? Tell me.
So 435 by 1, they narrated the details of the loot. They said all mining should stop unless sustainable mining is there in place. Very clear. And this money has to be recovered. Order of the Supreme Court, point number 1. When the 88 leases were renewed totally against the law, the Supreme Court came down heavily on it and spoke about the complicity of the government. But at that point of time, that complicity was for the BJP government.
Okay.
So, because that renewal was not done by the Congress government. Congress government was 27 to 2012, because they were in power. The renewal of the leases were done by the BJP government. So, the second judgment pointed fingers at the BJP government. The first judgment pointed fingers at the Congress government. The judgments went against both the governments. There also they said that we need recovery of this. The total quantum of loss due to the renewal of the 88 mining leases has to be done. The quantum of loss was done by an expert committee along with the CAG report. The government then went to the court and saying, look, we have done the quantum of loss, expert committee has gone into it, the CAG has gone into it, the total amount is 3,500 crores. I am saying you look at 3,500 crores only. The point here is that the fact that illegal mining happened is beyond doubt.
So if there is a illegal, I'm still saying, if there was illegal mining that time, please book all those involved in that illegal mining, recover that whatever money is there, whatever as you are claiming, recover that.
Again, I'm not claiming. The Supreme Court.
See, I have the documents. I've read that document. I have to read this because my mining is not my specialized subject.